Green hydrogen storage. Well, this is a very important point in this field, as storing energy from the sun and wind, which are so abundant, is a wonderful thing. Imagine collecting energy from the sun and storing and using it whenever and wherever you want. This may already be possible with green hydrogen. How can we store green hydrogen? We can store it in liquid, gaseous or solid form. Gaseous, store it in compressed gas form. This requires high pressure tanks, 350 to 700 bars, to avoid the risk of leaks and possible accidents such as explosions. Cryogenic liquid. This type of storage requires cryogenic temperatures. Because the boiling point of hydrogen under normal conditions is -252.8 degrees Celsius. Despite being very expensive and a huge challenge, it is already used in spacecraft. Solids such as hydrides, in this case. It is not that the hydrogen gas sublimates and turns into a solid. It reacts with some metals and can be stored on the surfaces of these solids by adsorption, or within the solids by absorption. In the reaction demonstrated below, we have a generic metal represented reacting with hydrogen at high pressure and forming hydrogen hydrides, MH2. M plus H2 right pointing arrow MH2 for its use. The hydride is subjected to heating where it releases hydrogen gas. MH2 right pointing arrow M plus H2. This storage method also has its advantages and disadvantages. Advantages: more security. Risk of leaks and explosions decreases. Disadvantages: low energy density, contains only 8% hydrogen by total weight. Risk of contamination of the metal. So recharging must be done with pure hydrogen.